Welcome to our channel. Setting clear financial goals is the foundation of building wealth and achieving financial security. Here's how to create effective goals. Step 1. Assess your current financial situation by calculating your income, expenses, assets, and debts. Understanding where you stand today is essential for setting realistic goals. Step 2. Identify what you want to achieve financially, both in the short term and long term. Common goals include building an emergency fund, paying off debt, saving for a house, or planning for retirement. Step 3. Make your goals specific and measurable using the SMART framework. Instead of save more money, set a goal like save $5,000 for an emergency fund within 12 months. Step 4. Prioritize your goals based on urgency and importance. Generally, building a small emergency fund and eliminating high-interest debt should come before longer-term investment goals. Step 5. Break down large goals into smaller, manageable milestones. If your goal is to save $20,000, create quarterly targets of $5,000 to track progress and maintain motivation. Step 6. Create a realistic action plan with specific steps you'll take to achieve each goal. This might include reducing specific expenses, increasing income through side work, or automating savings transfers. Step 7. Review and adjust your goals regularly, at least quarterly. Life circumstances change, and your financial goals should evolve accordingly while maintaining forward progress. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.